when you're reassembling it, it's one little important thing to remember. There's these 3 tabs on the bottom here.
Oh, yeah, okay. Put them in first, tip it back, maybe.
There, see them go in?
Yeah. Yeah, that's important, you know.
Otherwise this thing's flapping around, makes funny noises and you get tired of it.
It helps when somebody tells you how that works. Like when you're trying to get the molding off the door of your truck.
Yeah.
You know, instead of breaking all them little tabs off,
Yeah.
you pry on it in the right place. Works like a hot damn. You gotta thank the guy on YouTube that gave you that advice. Uh-huh. Alright, eh? Let's just get down here and have a real close look at what we're dealing with. The Karcher K5 85M, whatever, 13 amp, 1.5 gallons per minute, all that good stuff. Okay, so you're going to put this on here now. Slide the handles down. Just like that. It'd be nice if the garbage truck. You know, if we got a permit from the city to make this video, they probably would have blocked the street off and the garbage truck wouldn't have been out there making all that noise. How are you supposed to record with all that crap going on? Get on with this here.
Okay.
Okay.
These things.
The big retainers that poke in from the back.
Yeah.
That's kind of a combination of a nut and a extend a nut.
That's it.
Okay, so it offers support into here, so you don't put too much stress on this thin plastic shit when you're reefing it around.
Yeah. Like when you lift it up off the ground by the...
Some people lift on the handle and shake it, some lift on the cord.
Yeah.
Because they don't want to break the handle.
Now,
well, you got her. It's done. So the next step is going to be running the thing just to prove that it works. Try. Sun's pretty bright out here. So what are we doing?
if a person is going to be using their pressure washer routinely all the time, here's something that's really worthwhile investing in, is a quick release nozzle. Don't get a plastic one either, because they just break. Okay? And then instead of being on the ground, like as if you're down there trying to eat worms,
oh, you just pop it on.
Pop it on like that, and just pop it right onto there.
Yeah.
And it's good to go, just like that.
Huh.
You don't.
So like if your hands are weak and all that kind of stuff, you just get somebody to hook that up for you.
Yeah.
Then you just come along and do it whenever you want.
Mm-hmm.
Right on. Good to know. Well, either it's going to work or it isn't, eh?
Yeah.
Let's see what we did. What are you doing right now?
Bleeding the air out of it.
Oh.
You don't want to start it. You don't want to start it with air in the pump.
Oh, right, of course, yeah. Just pull the trigger after you turn your tap on. Never thought about that. Oh, I haven't got it plugged in.
Oh.
Oh, well, do I have to do everything?
Yeah. Push the reset.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
It works.
Now turn up the pressure. That's what I want to see. Look at that. Look at that. You let go of the handle and it shuts the motor off.
Yeah.
Yep. So let's see, what do you figure it's got, like 2,500 pounds? What is that?
1,800.
Oh. That's good enough. Knock the moss off. Let go of it once more. Look at that. Works perfect.
Yep.
All it was. Well, you know how to take it apart, put it back together. If that's what's wrong with your pressure washer, now you know how to fix it.